Term life and whole life insurance. Which type of policy is best for you, term or whole life? The answer depends on several factors, including your needs. If you need coverage only until your children graduate from college, for example, you might be better off with a term life policy. Cash value insurance is better suited for long-term needs, such as planning estate taxes and providing lifetime security for your spouse. Some term policies cannot be renewed past age 70 or 80 and can become costly to renew as you approach that age. The cost. If term life insurance is more suited to your budget and you want lifetime coverage, consider a term life policy which can be converted into a whole life policy. Then you can convert the policy whenever your cash flow or needs dictate. You can also purchase a combination of term life and whole life insurance and gradually shift into whole life insurance over time. Your savings and investment goals. Whole life insurance can be a good long-term investment vehicle, especially because the cash value has the potential to grow tax-deferred. Should you no longer need the insurance but want some extra cash, you may surrender the policy and collect the accumulated cash value. Be sure to discuss the tax consequences with your tax advisor first. As an alternative, you could purchase term life insurance and invest what you save on premiums on your own. Compare the returns you can expect, and remember to take taxes into consideration if you plan to select taxable investments. So, should I buy term life or whole life insurance? Term life and whole life insurance both have advantages, including immediate family protection. Deciding which type of policy and which features are right for you takes careful consideration and, most times, a comprehensible look at your financial plan. To discuss your life insurance needs and financial requirements, contact your financial professional. Click link below for more information. Also, if this content was helpful to you, please give us a like and don't forget to share and subscribe.